To connect MetaTrader 5 with Vantage, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to open a live or demo account with Vantage, which will provide you with the necessary login credentials. Next, you need to download and install MetaTrader 5, a popular trading platform used for trading Forex and other financial instruments. Once you have installed MetaTrader 5, you need to launch the platform and click on File and then log in to account. Here, you need to select Vantage as your broker and enter your login credentials, including your account number and password. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to connect to the Vantage server. If you are unable to find Vantage in the list of available brokers, you can manually add the server by clicking on the Add New Broker option. You will need to enter the Vantage server name, which can be found on the Vantage website or by contacting their customer support team. After connecting to the Vantage server, you need to wait for the platform to download the necessary data and synchronize with your account. This may take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection and the amount of data being downloaded. Once the platform is fully synchronized, you can start trading and using the various features and tools available in MetaTrader 5. You can access your account information, trade history, and open positions, as well as use the platform's built-in technical analysis tools and indicators. To ensure a stable and secure connection, it is recommended that you use a reliable internet connection and keep your MetaTrader 5 platform up to date with the latest updates and patches. Additionally, you should always use strong and unique login credentials and keep your account information confidential to prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can successfully connect MetaTrader 5 with Vantage and start trading with one of the leading online brokers. Remember to always use best practices and follow the necessary security protocols to protect your account and personal information.